Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I'm a choreographer, dancer, and teaching artist based in San Francisco, and I'm one of the teachers of Performing Arts Workshop. Here are some video excerpts of some of the works that I've done. I'll be teaching an intermediate hip-hop dance class for middle school ages. And this is for students who have taken class with me before or students who have prior hip-hop dance experience. We'll be continuing to build our skills and technique in hip-hop dance and focus more on student choreography. By the end of the series, we will create a final student collaborative project, which we can share with friends and family. It will be super fun, and I hope you can join.